Heavy haul trailer.
First up, the true horsepower monster, the heavy haul trailer. Its job, hauling a locomotive bullet train. It can weigh hundreds of tons, yet it rolls along like it's bringing home groceries from Costco. Other trucks usually stare in pure envy.
Curtain-side truck.
The fashionista of the logistics world. Its sides are made of sliding tarps, like stage curtains. Pull from the right, pull from the left, ta-da, the cargo's revealed. Drivers say it's the most dramatic truck on the highway.
Container truck.
The real port worker. It hauls containers from all over the world, packed with clothes, gadgets, or mystery cargo. One truck, 1,000 destinations.
Mobile crane.
If you think trucks can't lift heavy stuff, meet this one. The Mobil crane is here to show off its muscles. It can lift steel, containers, even human egos, as long as they're under 100 tons.
Flatbed truck.
Simple but strong. No walls, no roof, just a platform and pure determination. Usually used for machines, other trucks, or oddly shaped cargo. Flatbed's motto, if it can be tied down, it can be hauled.
Chemical tank trailer.
At first glance, it looks like a fuel tanker, but nope, it carries serious chemicals. The driver must stay extra careful, because one little spill and you've got yourself a sci-fi movie scene.
Food truck.
This one doesn't haul cargo, it feeds people. From tacos to lattes, food trucks are mobile kitchens serving happiness on wheels. Sometimes a traffic jam's not so bad. Park, grab a snack, roll on.
Tanker truck.
The hero of gas stations everywhere. It keeps vehicles across the nation fueled up. Without tanker trucks, America would literally stop, just like you before your morning coffee.
Livestock truck.
Looks normal outside, but inside, it's a moo and oink party. Yup, it's the livestock truck, full of cows, pigs, and that special farm aroma that never quite leaves.
Enable trailer.
Hard to pronounce, harder to beat. This beast doesn't just carry, it hugs its cargo. With hydraulic clamps and a massive frame, it hauls reactors, turbines, and other jaw-dropping loads.
Car carrier truck.
Ever seen a truck carrying 8 shiny new cars? That's the car carrier. Often mistaken for a life-size Hot Wheels set, but every car up there is the real deal.
Heavy tank transporter.
The giant that moves industrial tanks, fuel reservoirs, or anything big enough to scare traffic cops. Always escorted, always majestic. And turning corners takes patience, lots of it.
Double trailer truck.
One trailer's not enough? No problem. Meet the double trailer truck. Double the length, double the challenge. These drivers are elite. Parking this metal snake at a rest stop? That's a real-life boss level.
Logging truck.
And finally, the Forest Warrior, the logging truck. It hauls massive tree logs through mud, rain, and fog. It's dirty, it's tough, but it's proud. Without them, we wouldn't have homes, paper, or campfires.